Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x plus x is equals to x square, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous roots. So for this here we just find all the roots. Okay, further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards our first method, and in the first method you see here in the left hand side we have two variable terms are added by each other. So you know about that, when variable terms are added by each other we just add the coefficients of these two terms. So you see that the coefficients of both of these two terms are 1. When we add these to each other we will get here 2 times of x is equals to this is x square. And further, because we solve this problem for the values of x, so that we move this 2x to the right hand side and it will becomes x square minus 2x is equals to 0. And further in the next step you see here both of these terms involve x, so it means that x be the common term. So here we will take common x, and when you take common x we get the remaining values are, from here we get x only, minus from here we get 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 2 is equals to 0. So this is our first root of the given equation, and from here we need to move this minus 2 to the right hand side, and we will get here our x is equals to 2. So this is our second root which we get here from first method. So it means that in the first method we get here the two roots, that is x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. And now here in the next steps we need to verify that is both of these two roots are solution or both of these two roots are extraneous roots. So for this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x plus x is equals to x square, and here in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 2. So here we verify both of these two roots of the given equation, and here we need to substitute this value of x on both of the sides and we check its behavior. So when you put this value here it will becomes 0 plus 0 is equals to 0 square, because in the right hand side we have x square and x square is equals to 0 square. Okay, so we have 0 plus 0 becomes 0 and 0 square is also equals to 0. So this shows that left hand side is equals to right hand side. It means that the value of x is equals to 0 is satisfied over this given question statement. So x is equals to 0 be the one solution of the given equation. And now here we move towards the second root, and now we verify this value. So we put this value of x on both of the sides, and it will be written as 2 plus 2 is equals to 2 square, and 2 plus 2 becomes 4 is equals to this 2 square is also equals to 4. This also shows that the value of x is equals to 2 is also satisfied over this given question statement. It means that both of the values of x are satisfied over given question statement. So here we conclude about the solution set of this question is that both of the roots are included in the solution set, because both of the roots are satisfied over given question statement. So in the first method we will get here these are the two roots of the given equation. And now here we again solve this problem for the second method, and I hope so you like both of these methods. And in the second method we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x plus x is equals to x square. So this is our given question statement. And here in the second method we assume that our x is not equals to 0. It means that we choose our x is non-zero value, So if our x is non-zero value, then you can do these types of steps which we can apply here in the second method. Okay, so here first you do the same step which we can do into the first method, and here we have x plus x is equals to 2x is equals to x square, and because here our x is not equals to 0, so that's why we will divide both of the sides by x. But if our x is equals to 0, then we cannot do this type of step, because here we mentioned into the question statement is that our x is non-zero, so that we are eligible to apply or we divide both of the sides by x. So this x is cancelled out by this x, and we will get here 2 is equals to this x is cancelled out by this x, and we get x is equals to 2. So here in the second method we will get only one root of the given equation, and that is x is equals to 2. So it means that the final conclusion about the solution set of the second method is x is equals to 2. In the second method we get only one solution of the given equation. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.